Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today, I shall discuss about the reactivity in aromatic nucleophilic substitution. In the last turn, we have discussed about the reactivity in substrate in SN-AR mechanism and in benzene mechanism. In the case of SN-AR mechanism, the effect of substrate structure has very much. In that case, the presence of electron withdrawing group in the substrate at the ortho position and the para position to the leaving group is very good substrate for the nucleophilic aromatic substitution. And in case of benzene mechanism, the presence of substituent exert the electronic effect to the incoming group. So the decision for the major product is carried out by the presence of electronic effect of the substituent present in the molecule structure. Now today I shall discuss about the effect of substrate structure in AR-SN1 mechanism. The effect of ring substituent on the rate are consistent with unimolecular rate determining cleavage. Example, electron releasing group such as OH, OMe or Me at the meta position increase the rate, and electron withdrawing groups such as COH, NO2, Cl retarded the rate of the reaction when present at meta position. Now in the fourth type of the mechanism, SRN1 mechanism, what is the effect of substrate structure? Firstly, the addition of radical scavengers which would suppress a free radical mechanism decrease the rate of the reaction, and the addition of potassium metal which is the good producer of solvated electrons in liquid ammonia increase the rate of the reaction. Now in case of SRN1 mechanism, there is the 2 points. One, which the addition of radical scavenger decrease the rate of reaction, and the addition of potassium metal which is the enhance the production of the solvated electrons increase the rate of the reaction. Now the effect of leaving group, an approximate order of leaving group ability is F is greatest, F has greatest ability for the leaving, then NO2, then OTS, then SOPS, then ClBrI, then N3, then NR3 plus OR, OAR, SR and then NH2. However, this depends greatly on the nature of the nucleophile. For example, C6Cl5OCH3 treated with NH2 minus gives C6Cl5 NH2, that is one OCH3 group replaced in preference to give chlorine atom. Among the halogen, fluoro is greatly a much better leaving group than the other halogen. The order is chloro, bromo and then iodo, but not always, that is not in all the reaction. The leaving group order is quite different from that from SN1 and SN2 mechanism. In SN-AR mechanism, the first step is rate determinating step, and this step is promoted by the group which has strong minus I effect. Therefore, NO2 and F is good leaving group in SN-AR mechanism. If the benzene mechanism operating, fluoro is poorest leaving group. For halogens SPH, Me3 and OET whole twice have been shown to be leaving group in SRN1 mechanism. The only important leaving group in SN1 mechanism is N2 plus. So this is the effect of leaving group for the reactivity of aromatic nucleophilic substitution. Effect of attacking nucleophile. What is the effect of a nucleophile which is attacked to the substrate? It is not possible to construct an invariant nucleophilicity order since different substrates and different conditions leads to different order of nucleophilicity. However, an approximate order is given as NH2 minus has greater ability for the attacking nucleophilicity. NH2 is greater than PH3C minus, and PH3C minus has greater ability for the attacking to the substrate than PHNH minus, and it has greater than ARS minus, it is greater than RO minus, then R2NH, then ARO minus, then OH minus, then ARNH2, then NH2, then I minus, then Br minus, Cl minus, then H2O, and then ROH. ROH has the least effect for the nucleophilic character. Nucleophilicity is generally depends on base strength, and nucleophilicity increases as the attacking atoms move down a column. But there are some surprising exceptions. Example, OH minus, a stronger base than ARO minus, is poor nucleophile. In a series of similar nucleophiles, example substituted anilines, nucleophilicity is correlated with base strength. Oddly enough, the cyanide ion is not a nucleophile for aromatic systems except for sulfonic acid salts and in the von Richter and Rosenmund von Braun reactions, which are special case. Studies on nature of nucleophile continue. Indeed, the second order rate constant for various nucleophilic substitution reaction of some carbon ion were measured to define electrophilicity parameter for electron deficient heteroatom. So in this way we can as easily be explain the reactivity of effect of substrate structure, effect of leaving group, and effect of nucleophile. In the case of effect of substrate structure, in case of SNAR mechanism, when the electron withdrawing group such as nitro group present at the ortho and para position to the leaving group, these compounds has greater stability in the intermediate structure. So these are the more powerful substrate for the aromatic nucleophilic substitution. The most common activating group is nitro group, and the most powerful substrate for the aromatic nucleophilic substitution is 2,4,6-trinitrophenyl halide. In case of benzene mechanism, the substituent present in the structure has decided the important role for the coming substituent to the structure and the major and the minor products. In case of ARSN1 mechanism, the group which has electron releasing capacity such as OH, OMe and Me, at the meta position increase the rate of the reaction, and the groups such as COH, NO2 which is the electron withdrawing group, which is present at the meta position, the rate of reaction is decreased. In case of SRN1 mechanism, the groups which increase the solvated electrons such as when we add the potassium metal, the rate of reaction is increase, and the addition of radical scavengers decrease the rate of the reaction. In case of effect of leaving group, in the different mechanism, the different leaving group has different order of the reactivity. And the effect of attacking nucleophile, in general the order of nucleophilicity and their basic order is not same for the aromatic nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilicity generally depends on base strength, and nucleophilicity increases as the attacking atom moves down a column, but there are some surprising exceptions. A stronger base than ARO is poor nucleophile. So it is sufficient